Hello, you're watching Skylight Junction, and today is going to be a video that is making me so curious. Now, what I mean by curious is that this is a Hornby Railroad restaurant car. It's a Great Western Railway one, and ever since I got it, it's been making me kind of curious on what is inside this thing. So, you and I are going to find out whether this coach is worth it or not. So, here we go. Okay, so I'm going to be taking off the little trucks right here. Ooh, I hate doing. Another one. I'm surprised they can't break. They're still on. Okay. Yeah, alright. The little trucks are off. Now it's time to get into the real detail. Lucky me, good old Skylight Junction doesn't have a tripod for his camera, so I'm gonna have to use my knees. So these little pegs right here is something you want to pull off. Well, let's see if I can squeeze them together to get these guys off. Not pull them off. I don't know why I said pull them off. It's pretty dangerous doing that. So you want to get your maybe needle nose pliers and just squeeze them. Not too much. Don't squeeze them too much. If I can get it in shot. So hard. There we go. I think I just got it. Yep. Okay. Alright, hold on. Okay, I got the underframe off, and you probably have to unclip these little plastic glass thingies very carefully. And there's the underframe. What if, would you believe me if I told you just about maybe coaches like these, every one of them has the same underframe detail? You don't believe me? Here's an underframe detail from the Great Western Restaurant coach, and here's the underframe from the Grizzly Teak coach. If I flip it around, there we go. Look at that. Can you see a difference? I can't. Okay, so we got the underframe off. Now it's time to try and take off the floorboard. Let's call it a floorboard. I don't know the proper name of them. It's gonna be hard. Let's see. Can I try doing this? Yes, I can. Kinda. Okay. Kinda have to find a good grip on it. Okay, there we go. Floorboard's coming out really easily. Ooh, we're ready to see what it looks like. You guys ready? Okay. Try to go with... Oh, okay. So that's what it looks like. Well, I already knew about the open corridor thing, but oh my god, it's so cool. Look at that. It looks like you got some sort of grill here. And not sure what these are. I'm sure someone will let me know. But holy crap, this is so cool. So it turns out it is not the exact same tooling as what you get in a normal composite coach or open is it a oh, I forgot the name of it now. Hold on. Right, sorry. It's not like an ordinary composite coach or corridor coach. That's what I was looking for. It's not like like a composite coach or just an ordinary corridor coach. I couldn't get the words out today. There's something wrong with me. Oh man. Yeah, I'm so sorry about that, guys. But yeah, this is so cool. Look. It looks like you, it's not just a restaurant car. You also got a kitchen area right here. But it is kind of weird. There is no doors, which is a little bit disappointing. But hey, I can live with that. I suppose if you wanted to, you could somehow add doors to right here and right here. And also, what's the really good thing about this is that if you want to add lighting to this particular coach, you can just run the LED strip along the panels here. You might have to cut these ends off, but other than that, you're good. You're A-okay. The Grizzly Teak coach, if you can just see it, it's just an ordinary corridor coach. I mean, it looks nice, don't get me wrong. It really does look amazing. Again, if you want to add LED lighting, there's the walls and the compartments are pretty much cut for you, to be honest. Well, if you don't buy it secondhand. I did bought a new one that looks exactly like this, a teak coach, obviously, and it's the same thing. So yeah. Okay, now we're gonna get this all together. So here we go. Let's start with this. The interior looks nice too. Let's see if I can unrealistically put a finger in. Hello, how you doing? Okay, I'll stop screwing around. All right, this goes in like that, and that, and the underframe goes in like this, I believe. I might have to rewatch the footage. Hold on. Nope, I was wrong. It goes in like this. Yeah, alright. Now let's see if I can try to line the little plastic. Okay. Might have to do this off camera. Let's see if I can do it right here. I'm not trying to look through the viewfinder. No way. That'll be so difficult. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do this off camera. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I got it. Now, clip these in. There we go. And clip those in. There we go. Now for the trucks themselves. Get this. Put force into it, which I do not like. And there we go. There we go. It's back together. Okay, so now time to put the restaurant coach back onto the track. Yeah. I hope you find that video interesting. I certainly did. I'm really curious on what's inside this thing. I was hoping it probably wasn't too much of a corridor composite coach, but yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. And one more thing before I go. I now finally have a job, kinda. It's a part-time one, so I'll still have time to make some videos here and there. I am a little bit nervous about it, but I know there's no need to be nervous. But hey, it makes good money. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.